1, boom, 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 boom. 2, boom, 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 boom.
What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and welcome to VincaniTV, the channel that teaches you about breaking and the hip-hop culture. Today, we're gonna be working on a type of hook that takes place from a push-up position. And if you're a part of my online intermediate breaking class, this past month, we spent a lot of time working on hooks. Basic hooks, hooks from different directions, hooks from different positions, and also being able to really just dance and utilize our hooks in our breaking. If you need extra help with your breaking, make sure you click the link below, hop into my intermediate, beginner, or monthly masterclass and join a class today. All the classes are saved online, so if you miss a class or live in another time zone, you can rewatch it at any time you like. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit the like button to really help with the YouTube algorithm and push this video to new audiences. And last, if you really want to support this channel, go to my website, link below, and cop yourself some VincaniTV merch. We have lots of different designs, all made and designed for you. With that said, let's get down to the floor. All right, y'all, so this hook variation is very, very simple. It's much like the one that we do in the front, but it's done from the back. And the reason why this step I feel is important is because as we get comfortable with learning new things, it's important to actually experiment with it and try it from different angles, different positions, and really try to explore all avenues of that step. So this is basically the hook, but from the back. And in my intermediate class, we spent a lot of time really just learning this step and then also getting comfortable mixing it in with other steps. So in some future videos, maybe we'll mix this up a little bit. So the step looks like this. We pretty much turn, hook, and step back. Turn, hook, and step back. When we practice it, there's a lot of different ways we could do it, right? Depending on how much we want to turn it. We could actually like turn all the way here. We could turn just here. We could even just, turn just slightly, right? It really depends on your liking. But as we're practicing today, try to like explore that avenue a little bit and really see what looks best on you as a dancer. We're all built differently. We all look differently. So what looks good on one person might look not so good on the other. So adjust to your liking. Today, we're gonna do 5 sets of 5, right? Really focusing on our form. This first run, let's really pay attention to our basics of our hands, making sure that we're staying here, and our feet, making sure we're staying on our toes the whole time, all right? Here we go, starting position, and here it goes. Ready? We go turn, hook, kick back, turn, hook, kick back. That's 1. Hook, kick back. Turn, hook, kick back. That's 2. Hook, kick back. Turn, hook, kick back. Turn, hook, kick back. Turn, hook, kick back. That's 4. Turn, hook, kick back. Turn, hook, kick back. That's 5. Nice job, y'all. All right, everyone rest. Okay, give your hands a second to rest. Fingers, roll it around. And keep in mind, while we're practicing this, especially in the early stages, we always want to go a little bit slower. I know you probably heard this 1,000 times, don't rush, but yeah, really don't rush, right? We're trying to, at this stage, we're trying to really get our form down. And if we rush our form, if we, do something super sloppy, you're like literally training yourself to dance sloppy, right? So especially in these beginning stages, spend some time working on the form. It's like when you learn how to write the alphabet. If you just scribbled through it, your handwriting looks probably like as bad as mine does. So with your dancing, take your time. All right, round 2. This time, let's really pay attention to the look of our hooks, okay? So when we turn, really think about how that hook looks. Think of it as a freeze and maybe adjust it as you do. Like I said, make it to your liking, okay? Here we go. Ready? We go. Turn and make that freeze. Again, adjust it to your liking. If you want to turn more, if you want to turn less, different ways actually might look different, right? So here, I could do it a little bit lower, right? That's 1, 2. Maybe I could go a little bit higher. Boom, boom, that's 3. Maybe I could even go super low. Boom, that's 4, right? And really just play with different options. So when you're dancing, you have that ability, you have that range. Depending on the music, it kind of gives you a different feeling. It kind of is gonna change the way your moves look. And by practicing different ranges, it's gonna allow you to really just adapt to whatever song comes on. All right, round 3. This time, let's think about our hands, right? I know we worked on our hands on the ground, but let's add our hands to each freeze, right? Whether it's on our hip, our hand, our leg, right? Let's really try to pay attention to that, and let's adjust each time, okay? Let's play with our options. Ready, starting position, and we go. Turn, boom, turn, boom, that's 2, boom, 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 that's 3, boom, 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 that's 4, boom, boom, or maybe boom, 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 5. Have fun with this stuff, get creative with it, right? So that was 3 rounds just now. We worked on the form of our feet, our legs, and our hands. Our last 2 rounds, let's try to create more of a fluid motion and work on that transition between the two. Something that I personally like doing is when I'm going here, I'll go kick out, and I'll really use that to kind of make a snap to the next move, right? So this time, let's try to add that snap, that kick step, right? Hook, boom, 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 right? Kind of just adding a quick little transition to it. Here we go, ready? Round 4, starting position, and we go. Boom, 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 that's 1, boom, 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 that's 2, boom, 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 that's 3, boom, 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 that's 4, boom, 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 that's 5. Nice job, y'all. Let your hands rest, make a fist, roll it out. This last one, put it all together, maybe add a little bit of speed, not too much, and really just play with it a little bit. All right, here we go. Ready? Starting position, and it goes. 1, boom, 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 boom. 2, boom, 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 boom. 3, boom, 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 boom. 4, boom, 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 boom. 5, boom, 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 boom. Nice job, y'all. Everyone go ahead, take a seat, relax, catch your breath, all right? That is our basic hook step from a push-up position. Again, spend some time practicing this move, practice the form, drill it 100 times, and then apply it to your dancing. Practice using it, dancing to music. This is gonna be the ultimate way to really, get comfortable with anything, just dancing with your steps. All right, if you need any extra help with your breaking, make sure you click the link below, hop into one of my online beginner, intermediate, or monthly masterclasses, and I'll see you soon. If you want to show some support for this channel, you can do so by picking yourself up a VincaniTV merch, right? We have sweaters, hoodies, t-shirts, tank tops, everything you need to put a smile on your face, all right? Click the link below, check out my merch on my website, and also if you could do me a huge favor by pressing the like button, favoriting, leaving me a comment, subscribing to really help push this video and this channel to new audiences. All right, I thank you all for watching. Take care, train hard, peace.